When we have an incoming call, you'll see a flashing red indicator in the top right corner of the phone. There will be a blinking green indicator against the call appearance, and if available, you'll see the caller ID name and number. The bottom of the display shows answer, forward, silence, reject. Reject will send all calls to your voicemail box if enabled. Lift the handset or select answer to pick up the call. Once the call's been answered, you'll have a solid green indicator against your call appearance. If available, you'll see the caller ID name and number along with the call duration. The bottom menu will show transfer, hold, conference, end call. Return the handset to the cradle or select end call to terminate.